2-minute crash course on multimeters? Yeah, let's do this. So today we're talking meters, right? But not just any kind of meter. We're talking multimeters. So what's a multimeter then? It's a meter that can do multiple things. A few things to know about multimeters is if we don't use them properly, they can be super dangerous. So let's learn how to use them properly. For example, volts, ohms, and amps. They do multiple other things too, some more than others. For example, I've grabbed this one right here. This one does all sorts of things. It does volts. This tests the electrical potential between 2 points. Now the meter must be wired in parallel with whatever we're testing, whether it be a supply or a component. Here's the ohm setting, which is the resistance value. Now we can measure a resistance value of any material. It does diodes, it does a belling out. It does a capacitor, it does frequency, it does temperature, so we have to plug in some sort of thermocouple, and some of them have an inbuilt thermocouple. 14 degrees. What? Amps, but not just any amps, microamps, milliamps, and amps. And these are protected by fuses. These fuses can blow if you wire up these meters the wrong way. This guy really knows what he's talking about. I'd listen to him if I had the choice. What he was talking about was wiring meters in series and parallel. So I'm going to quickly show you. And I'm going to put a voltmeter over the load. So how would I do that? I'll put it in parallel, over the top. If I was to put a voltmeter over the supply, over the top, easy. What about a current meter? In the circuit, easy. Flows through. There's only one path for the current. Goes in and then out. With our voltmeter, it's in parallel. There's two paths for the current to flow. This has such a high internal resistance that all the current would rather flow through here and barely anything through the voltmeter. So we don't even count it in the circuit. Voltmeter over the resistor, over the top. Another safety feature meters tend to have is something called a category rating. A category number will protect you from a lightning strike. Now depending on where you are in the circuit, whether you're at an appliance, are you at a switchboard or your distribution center, are you closer to the transformer? If you are and you're using a meter, you should be looking at the categories. They are there to protect you from lightning strikes and voltage spikes. Here, for example, I have my Fluke meter. This is a category 4 up to 600 volts. Here's my cheaper $30 meter. It's category 3 to 600 volts. The cheaper ones won't even have a category on them at all. So we can chuck them out.